the 1978 Jeep Cherokee 4xe concept vehicle. Mark Allen telling us about it.
For MOAB 2023, one of our most favorite categories we like to do are the resto mods. This year we've selected, it's a 1978 Jeep Cherokee, but with a lot of modifications to it, soaked in this sort of 70s wrapper. To begin with, the vehicle, we bought it off of Craigslist somewhere, scanned it, and made a digital model of it. This is actually placed complete onto a brand new Rubicon 4xe chassis. So it's the 2-liter with a 4xe system, 37-inch tire on an old school slotted mag. The charge port is neatly integrated into it to charge the batteries. The whole instrument panel and front seating compartment is from the donor Wrangler. We've left the back seat out, put the spare tire in here, opened up the sides of it for fresh air. Just really a lot of great details on this vehicle. The overall impression we're really happy with.
That is the best inside of a Jeep I've ever seen. I love it. After I go drive through the desert, because that's what it looks like to me. It's a combination of surfing and desert.
There's nothing I don't like about it. Usually when they take a old school vehicle and modify it and make it more modern, I usually never like it. But they left enough alone and only improved where maybe it was best to improve it.
Yeah.
They left.
Think? I mean, is there any chance they make that?
Yeah, I think so. Because
gotta think that would sell, no?
We keep coming back to a big SUV. You know, if you think about it over like the last 20 years, we keep going away from it, saying, hey, we need one that's a 4-cylinder, a 6-cylinder. We need one that's, smaller, more gas efficient. And then the Escalade pops up. Then they always come back. So I feel like this would finally fill the void for Jeep. I used to own the, what was it? It was their other try and it didn't work. And I actually liked the vehicle. What was the big Jeep?
Oh, yeah, Commander.
Yeah, I had a Commander Limited. That was an awesome vehicle. But it didn't do well. And they've been trying to find that vehicle for a while, like the current Wagoneer.
Yep.
This one, I think, actually would capture.
Can I just say, I think the current Wagoneer is uninspiring. I just honestly, there's nothing, doesn't float my boat. This thing is.
That's the Wagoneer.
Yeah.
The current Wagoneer is too new school.
Yeah, it just
so new school that they should have just went with and said this is something else and not even use that nameplate.
Agreed.
I also like the color scheme and the orange contrast on the vehicle. It makes it look fast.
I like the orange contrast of it.
And I can already say in advance, out of all of them, if they said you can take whatever you want, this would be the one I'd take.
Me too. Yep. We'll take 2 of those.
You'd want yours in all orange, so I'll take the yellow.
I don't know. That yellow is hot. I want the same roof inside, though. I want the inside of this thing is perfect for me.
I love the art.